Good afternoon, everybody. There it is. There's Upper Duke Street, up at Big LIPA sixth form up there. Let's change it around a bit. Why? Because we can. Right, let's have a look. Reception have been busy. What have we got here? So, we've got... God, look at that writing. Yeah, this is reception. Last week we received a letter from Earth telling us that humans are not looking after it. Very eco-friendly. Jane would love that. We wrote our very own love letters to Earth. Yes, that is independent reception, if you're wondering. What have we got here? This is a creative calm. You can go into the bottom to rest and be calm and enjoy the creative artwork. Oh, I could just do a bit of that. Here we go. I passed the reception and they were all doing about numbers to 10, being able to know that 7... the number bond is a 3, or 6 and it's a 4, and 3 it's a 7, and 2 and it's an 8, and all that. Reception have been learning about numbers above 10. Alcora blew us away representing the number 15. There it is, in a 10 frame. Here's Alora. Help the planet. There you go. Help the planet to be happy, to feel better. Totally agree, Alora. What else have we got? Okie dokie. Jasmine wrote a love letter to Earth as well. Beautiful. Dear Earth, I'm going to help you. I love you, from Jasmine. Reception, thank you so much. We've got another one here. Esme created a poster to make sure that everyone is putting rubbish in the bin to save our Earth. Thank you, Esme. Yeah, you've got to believe us. This really is reception. What fantastic work. Thank you, Shy. Shy's new to our school. Yes, that is my special stickers. Shy's done 3 of these already, last time I saw him. The Book of Mysterious Monsters. Shy's brand new to our school and I believe is settled in really well. Thank you, Tilly. I did get it. Here it is. Orla, thank you for yours. Now, this week has been a very quiet week for me receiving work. Okay, you need to make sure it gets to my room. But Shy, Tilly, Orla are my book winners this week. Thank you for that. And we'll have a little sneaky look over here. Somebody said to me the other day, this is my cupboard, there's my cupboard, down at the bottom. Mr. Parker, you don't really keep all that artwork, do you, that people send in? There it is. Piles of it there, I keep it. And one of the things that we do need to do soon is change this. It's been up for a while, it is lovely work, but somebody else needs to turn up there. So that's definitely a job for next week. Okay, big shout out to all those children who have been celebrating Eid. So we've had Ramadan, the whole month, many children have been fasting, and then big celebration at the end of Eid. And we're celebrating it in school this afternoon on Friday. So this afternoon, we're having some parties in classrooms to really celebrate that. Remember, LIPA Primary School, we're just full of diversity and difference and learning, because the people who are experts about Eid are the children who celebrate the Islamic faith and can tell us all about it. So that's what we'll be doing this afternoon. Big shout out to them. Also shout out to Nancy, Ruby and Kyra. So Nancy year 5, Ruby in year 4 and Kyra year 6, all football related. Nancy, well done for being the mascot of Tranmere Rovers. Congratulations, you did really well. Ruby C did a beautiful banner. Now, Ruby C, can I have that for my office? Because the banner said, Richarlison, please can I have your shirt? And there I was watching Sky Sports, and at the end of the game, Richie ran over and he took his shirt off and he gave it to Ruby. I've got the footage on my phone, it's true. Well done, Ruby. So that design that you did made Richie run over to you and give it to you. Kyra, another football shout out, well done. You waited for the players at the end of the game, the big game against Chelsea last Sunday, and you met Frank Lampard. And you gave him some clear feedback about where Richarlison and Dominic Calvert-Lewin should be playing. And I'm sure he'll take that on and amend his team for Sunday against Leicester. Miss Logan says, please can she give a shout out to all of Year 6. They've managed this week of SATs revision really well, so enthusiastic, positive attitudes, and they've really adapted well. Miss Lyons, shout out to Ellis, who has made a fantastic start, another new arrival to our school. Always full of interesting facts, and is a great role model to others already. Miss Wright, can I give a shout out to Shy? Shy, do you remember the Book of Monsters that we were looking at before? That's Shy. And she says, Shy settled into our school really well. He's been making amazing progress, writing fantastic books. We've seen those, and teaching his friends how to play basketball. Our Year 7 boys love a bit of basketball as well. He's such a captain, collaborative for working with others. Miss Berry says, can she do a shout out for William, Tilly and Jake, who had a fantastic attitude towards maths and have been working hard with some really difficult measuring work. And also Tula and Callie for displaying our LIPA values and being so kind and considerate to their friends. Happy birthday if it's you. Hold on. Happy birthday if you've had a birthday this week. It's my brother's birthday yesterday and it's my birthday in June. If you've had a birthday, stand up. How old are you now? What did you get? What was your present? Where did you go? What did you do? Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday if you've had a birthday this week. Happy birthday to you. Fantastic. Give them a clap, everybody. Certificates. Teachers, get ready to press pause. We've got Head Teachers Awards, we've got Reading Awards, and I would show you Maths Awards, but I've given them all out, so maybe I need to order some more. They're in classrooms. So teachers, get ready to give these out now. Well done, everybody. You know I like seeing these certificates at the end of the day. Sometimes the teachers write on the back or on there, and you can take them home and put them on the fridge. Okie dokie. Are we ready for some maths? Right. This weekend, the football fixtures are Saturday night, Liverpool v Tottenham. Could be a tricky one, could be. And then on Sunday, it's Leicester v Everton. My maths questions have got a football feel. Are you ready? Whiteboards, no messing about. Year 4, come on. All right, first question. I'm looking that way because that's where my script is. Not a script. Richarlison, question 1. Richarlison has number 7, Van Dijk has number 4, and Dominic Calvert-Lewin has number 9. If you add those numbers up, how many do you get? Question 2. Alex Iwobi of Everton and Curtis Jones of Liverpool both wear the number 17. If you add their numbers and then you double it, what number do you get? Last question. Trent Alexander-Arnold is 66, number 66. Anthony Gordon of Everton is number 24. If you add those numbers together and then divide by 5, what do you get? Press pause, and here's your answers. Richarlison 7, Van Dijk 4, and DCL 9, the total is 20. Alex Iwobi and Curtis Jones both 17, that's 34, but you double it, you get 68. Trent Alexander-Arnold 66, Anthony Gordon's 24, that's 90, you divide it by 5, you should have got 18. Okay, well done if you got those numbers. Only got one joke this week, thank you Mason. Well, why did the golfer have to change his socks? Because he got a hole in one. Thank you Mason. Golden tickets. So, if you're in year 5, 6 and sometimes year 7, watch this, then you've got your own system, and teachers, please announce who's won and come down and choose your books. Years reception to 4, I've sent the email out and it will be there for your teachers to read. So teachers, please let them know, children know who's won the books, and please come and choose them. Okay. We've done the book look session. What about golden medals? Right then, Miss Lyons says, my gold medal goes to Jacob T. He's a pleasure to teach, always has a smile on his face, and he's a fantastic friend to all of his classmates. He's also coming in early on a Tuesday and Thursday to work on his maths, and he's got a great attitude to learning. Jacob. Miss Wheaton says, can I give my gold medal to Shurian in Bella class, please? He's been away from our school for about 5 months, but he's back and he's so positive and he's happy and he's working hard. Well done, Shurian. Miss Wright, she would love to give the gold medal to Harry in Stanley Park, she says. I can already imagine how proud Harry will feel when he receives the medal, and his teachers are proud too. He's a true captain, discipline in every sense of the word, and he's been concentrating really hard. He's captain inquisitive. He's got a real love for exploring and questioning and digging deeper into his learning. I like all this stuff. He never gives up. Harry's natural captain collaborative nature, and he's welcomed new children into our school. Harry, great job. And Miss McGlynn wants to give it to Lennon in the McCartney class because he's blown her away with his dedication to his work and SATs revision. We'll stop doing SATs revision next week, year 6, I promise. He's always a positive role model in our class and makes everyone smile with his warm personality and great sense of humour. Boy, has it been a busy week this week. But it's a sunny week. We had a rainy day yesterday and we've got a sunny weekend. So that's it for this week. Remember about the artwork. You know, I was talking last week about summer. It's my favourite term. I would like, excuse me, summer work, summer poems, summer maths, summer stories, summer pictures. That's what I'm looking for. That's what's going to get the books next week. Well done, everyone. If you've won a book, come and get it. Everyone else, have a lovely, lovely weekend.